पातळीच्या चरणा पोलिसांच्या राजंकयाची सगळ्या ओम विश्वरा काकना सोय बालारा जिला जिला काकना सोय बालारा ओ सीमा ओ वीरा रसरे गाना से गाना हरिहरा ओ से गाना हरिहरा
This is really a prehistoric dance. It's pre-Portuguese dance, and it needs to be preserved and called the actual heritage dance of Chandor, because this is the only dance that dates back to that time. It is danced in 2 revenue villages. Kota is danced on Monday night, and on Tuesday night it is danced at Chandor. All the participants, rather except in Kavuri, where one family is Hindu, the rest all are Catholics who dress in Indian attire. They wear a dhoti, they wear a shirt, they wear a waistcoat, they wear a turban. So everything is going back to your roots, the Indian roots. Now this dance survived the inquisition of the Portuguese because all Hindu gods references were changed over to Catholic gods and saints.
आम्ही खेळ चालू दवरला आनी आमकां अपेक्षा आसा की आमचे फुडारा देगून आमचे भुरगे हो चालू दवरतले आनी जर तर हो खेळ आमी करना जाल्यार सुपरस्टिशन आसा की कितेंय जाल्यार आमच्या घराण्यांक वायट जातलें. Whoa!